How can you get Zoom for your Mac? Head to zoom.com using your web browser. Actually, if you just want to join one meeting, there's no need for installation any app. You can hit join button here at the top right, put the meeting ID, then your name and join. And that's all. You can join using just your web browser. But if you plan to use Zoom often, you can download the whole app. So in that case, scroll all the way down and then you will see a download section. Here it is, Zoom Workplace app. That's the one. Click on it and it will take you to Download Center, when you can download the app for Mac. If you got Mac with this new M1, M2, M3, M4 chips, click the first option for Apple Silicon. If you got Intel Mac, the old one, click the second option. So I got this one, and now I can see that it's downloading. Here it is. I got the Zoom installer. I can click on that once and they will introduce me to the installation process. I need to continue, select destination for it, only for me or for all users of this computer. We can change the location, by default is Macintosh HD, and then we click install. After the installation process is over, you can find Zoom in your Launchpad with all of the other apps. When you launch it for the very first time, you will need to sign up. There's also option to join the meeting without signing up, like from the web browser, just by putting meeting ID and your name or nickname, and that's it. Alright, so keep that in mind. It's totally possible to join meetings in Zoom straight from the web browser. But there's also a free app that you can download from the official website. Don't search for those strange apps on the App Store. Get the official one from the zoom.com or zoom.us. Alright, that's all. Scroll all the way down to see the Download Center. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.